up guys, it's me Gmail. So the setting app, once you go to the setting, I mean there's a lot of stuff you can do, to be honest with you. Yeah, I mean there's bazillion thing you can do, I mean in the setting app. It can be a little bit cumbersome or overwhelming in beginning, but there's too much notification setting. Even within setting app, within each section it have like quite depth. I mean the multiple setting within, like journals. You can go to journal, there's so much stuff you can customize. You click keyboard, I mean you see you can go deep in layers if you want. I mean literally there's too much stuff going on a screen when you're setting up, but again it depends. There's too much, I mean, stuff on the setting app. I mean, as you can see, yes, very simple. It was me, Gmail. Subscribe, bye.